Hello everyone. Today we go on with the next session of ellipse. Last time we just introduced a very basic standard form of ellipse. Let's just a little review first. Okay. So what's the standard one is very standard basic standard equation is x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square equals to 1. This is a standard ellipse. So today we will introduce 4 different types of ellipse that are with different kind of the location, but you can see the same shape. Okay. So first let's see the left one. Okay. So left one is the very standard form that we are showing. The A is 5, right? B is 2, right? Let's see the right side. The totally reversed. It's still called ellipse, but right now we will write it there here as that give you a little more space. Writing here is what? It's like you have to observe, right? Because it might be not as you expect. X square divided by b square plus y square divided by a. Why writing like this way? Why not a? Remember, for ellipse, a is mean the long side, the longer side, the longer side from here to here. B, always remember the short side. Okay, this is another two type. So which means that they can be how do you call that? It's like uh, it's like rotate, right? 90-degree, right? Can be like this way, but a reverse of A and B and A. Okay. The third one will be the center will be changed. Previously, our center is all at the 0, right? Right now, it's changed to this way. So I can write in the standard form of this one as x minus. Remember, the center we always write in as c, then h and k. Okay, so here we're writing x minus h equals to square m. This one is vertical, right? So here should be b square, right? Plus y minus k square and then divided by a square equals to 0. Okay, that's easy. So today we'll just introduce the 3 type. And based on these 3 type, we will have 2 examples. So today's session will be faster and companion easy. Okay, 2 questions so for you to solve. So this is the first question. What we need first, what we given? We given is the function, right? We given a function. Sorry, you're given an equation. In fact, it's a fact function also as well, but this is equation of the ellipse. And we need to find the coordinate of we need to find the center. We need to find the center. In fact, you need to sketch the graph. In fact, they're already sketched. So what I really want us to do is to find those kind of important point. So foci should definitely be 9 on this one, right? Foci should be 9 on this red 9, right? So foci and the vertice definitely is here, right? The longest side, right? The covertices should be on the most high and the lower of the B, right? Vertex that we call a B, and so sketch a graph. In fact, if we know the highest notice point on left side, on right side, and as well as the center, definitely we can draw that kind of graph. Am I right? So okay. So what we given is this one, the function. So from this one, we are quite easily to know what? No, it's just x square. No, the center. Okay, center is what is center? Center here is what? Center here is this minus 3, so it's 3. Why is 3? So it's 3. So 3, 3, right? So center is 3, 3. So let's move a little bit. Center here is 3, huh? And 1, 2 here is 3 as well, right? So 3, 3 is here. So this is the center. Okay. So let's see next one. So since the 9 is bigger than 4, so 9 is a, right? So a squared equals to 9, right? So a equals to 3. So b is equals to 2, right? Am I right? So we already got here. So we already got a foci, right? Foci, wait, 0, and this is a, and this is b. Okay. So first the ask center we already get, and the foci should be c 0 of negative c0, right? So first we have to writing well is the c is equals to what? Is equals to, let's first write in c square is equal to a square minus b square, right? So a square minus b square is 5 square. So c should be equals to negative 5, right? So negative 5 is a little bigger than 2, right? 2 point something, right? So now, since the center already changed, so the c is not based on center, but based on, I mean, the foci is based on the center, okay? So on left side, we go to square root of 5. So it's 1, 2, square root of 5 should be here. No. Yeah, just remember, we should go 1, 2, square root of 5 here. So this should be should be the force F1. Here, 1, 2 here. So should be F2. Okay, so vertex we already know is vertex here is 3, right? So vertex. Anyway, my square root of 5, maybe I'm not exactly get the right place. Okay, but that's not very important. Here I just want to show how to find the foci. Okay, so here is definitely is vertex, and here is vertex, right? Okay. Okay. So for the foci vertex here, normally we are writing as W. Okay. So here is W. Vertex of 1, so can be W1, W2. So vertex and vertex 1, vertex 2. Okay. So here, so they ask for the vertex we already got. Vertex is what? Vertex V1 is what? Uh, V1 is horizontal is 0, right? It's 0 because its vertex is from the C go to how many? Vertex is go to 3, right? So here's 3, 1, 2, 3. The 3 minus 3 is 0, so it's 3. And how about the y-axis? Y-axis is here is also 3, right? So y-axis of 3. And then v2 is what? So should be 6, right? Right. 6, 3. Okay. So this graph is located on the quadrant 1, right? Okay. So uh, our covertice is W, right? W1. W1, that's the first one here. For this one is okay. So W is B, right? Is B. B is 2 based on the center. Center here, the y-axis, is 3, right? 3 plus 2, so 5, right? 5, right? And the x-axis is 3, so it's 3, 5. So it's 3, 5. And while W2 is equal to what? W2 is 1, right? Because 3 minus 2, so it's 1. And then sorry, the horizontal x-axis is always 3, and then it's 1. Yeah. Okay, so we already got this. Based on this we can draw the graph. Okay, so this is very simple, right? So next one, if we got